Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bare face because I am doing and jumping on the bandwagon of I tried the makeup tutorial of whomever. Today I want to do Patrick Starrr. I think he's hilarious. I think he's funny. I like the way he beats his face. Did I just say I like the way he beats his face? It's just funny, and he's a really good makeup artist as well. So we are going to do his America's Next Top Model makeup tutorial. I remember when America's Next Top Model first came out and years ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And we all love Tyra Banks, still do love Tyra Banks. And yeah, so I will be doing that tutorial, and things I don't have, I'm going to try and just make it happen and try and recreate his look. Really gonna try. So let's get into it.
I tried this new spray here. This is by H2O Beauty, the Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist. I'm obsessed.
Okay, since I don't have the spray thing, I'm going to use some Aveeno Radiant Daily Moisturizer. This is my new, I'll do it in slow motion for you.
And move on to brows. Brows, we want full, we want 90s, we want supermodel brows.
My Benefit Goof Proof. I'm almost out. Okay, he's just going in. He's going in dark. Okay, I'm making it lower and more fierce. All right, let me do the other one before he keeps going. You guys know I'm a natural girl. This is a lot for me. Okay, he's ahead of me. Oh, are my brows mismatched? Guys, one brow is lower than the other. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna have to fix that.
Brows look fierce, can I say?
Okay.
Fierce so far. So these are my brows.
Some
These are my brows. I know
concealer.
they look scary, but we're gonna blend a little bit later.
All around. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use some Makeup Revolution in C12. Yeah, okay. Put it all around his, okay. I've never done anything like this before. Y'all know that. This is all brand new. How crazy am I looking? Oops. Part of me just want to go in the other room and scare my husband. And be like, all done. What do you think? Fine dining tonight?
I'm missing a nail. So for foundation, I'm going to take a brand new foundation. This one is called the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear.
Okay, so he's ahead of me. Let me go ahead and apply the foundation. Okay, I'm just going to apply it with my hand because that's what I do.
Ooh. Next, for the under eyes, I'm gonna do a concoction of concealers for the face. First, I have been loving the YSL Touche Éclat. I have a little rainbow sticker so no one takes it from me, and I know it's mine.
Okay, I do not have the Touche Éclat for under my eye. So I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. We're gonna put this all the way down. This right here. I'm trying, y'all. He is going fast. Blend it. I think this is the most makeup I have had on in a really long time. Even this is more makeup than I've had on at my wedding. All right, so what does he do next?
All right, guys, I'm gonna immediately set with my one and only Patrick's powder.
Okay, we're just patting it on. I'm not quite sure. Oh, put it on the nose too. Oh, goodness. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me I do not have that palette, so we're just going to let me try and do this. Okay. You guys obviously know I don't wear eyeshadow, but I did find an old CoverGirl palette that I have. It's really not a palette. It's like 3 colors. So I probably need to try and do some eyeshadow. Okay, let's see what he does with the eyeshadow. And yes, the palette I have is like browns. All right. We're just going to do that. Okay. Okay. All right. Just gonna try to drag that out. This is not the brush I should be using. I have no idea what kind of brush it is. Oh, it's a crease brush. Okay. Let's just move that out. And okay. His looks a whole lot better than mine. Okay, we're gonna do a center lid thing, which okay. Some glitter stuff. So how about if I try and just use some highlighter in the center, because that's kind of glittery, right? If I use some e.l.f. highlighter in the center. No, that's really not glittery, is it? Okay, he's already on to eyeliner. Let me let me do some eyeliner, some liquid eyeliner. I have this NYX. Let's try and do what he does. Oh, he's going really fast. Let me finish mine. It's going really fast. Let me finish this horrible of a line that I'm trying to do. Now you say, well, I wonder, Shawana, why don't you ever do an eyeliner? Because it looks like this. Oh, okay. Let's do the other lid. I did that one a little better. No, not really. No, I look like Cleopatra, not in a good way. Let's go to the bottom liner. I don't have what he has, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Kohl.
And this is an eye kohl. Eye kohl's by Macro So Soft. It's in the color called Costa Riche. And I'm going to tightline my waterline. And I'm going to take the newest Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit and apply many coats on my lashes.
Here you go. Maybe I should have tried something a lot easier. So in the waterline, he already put the eyelashes on. Let me put the eyelashes on. I have some Ardell natural lashes. I have not put lashes on in months. and I wasn't good at putting them on then. My eyes are already starting to water. This is just a mess. These eyelashes are like, Shawana, you know you should have let me dry a little bit longer before you put them on. And I'm like, look, I'm trying to do my best here.
Can I just say I feel so much better double stacking my lashes because something was off. As soon as I smoked it out, something was off. So I took just some random pair of lashes.
Okay, I only have one pair of lashes left, so I can't stack. What I can do is put some mascara on.
Alright guys, I'm going to take a little bit of my shadow from my collection Embark and just put this on the outer lash line.
Alright, he's putting some of the eyeshadow on the outer lash line, okay? Okay. Okay, he's gonna take some more powder. I just have my regular powder. And we are just gonna go over again. Okay.
Type. Alright, I'm going to take this color Deep Dark. It's a mineralized skin finish. I love this powder.
Okay, it's a powder. Let me take my Armani bronzer. I'm gonna take my Armani bronzer. Do this right there. Okay, I don't have any blush. Okay, so I'm gonna use some red lipstick. How about that? Let's do a little dot 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 dot. Okay. Oh, that really didn't work out too well for me. It sounded good in my head, but
3 products. This is Cork Lip Liner by MAC. Shy Girl lipstick. It's
okay,
the most
let's
beautiful
do lips now.
peachy lip.
I seemingly don't have anything he has. I'm gonna use my Chanel lip definer. And let's see what he does with his lips. And I'm going to try and do the same thing. Are you guys loving this so far? Okay, he is a bit over defining his lips. So let me see. Okay. Okay. Go underneath. All right. Then we're going to fill in a little bit. Fill it in a little bit. I'm going to put some lip gloss. I'm going to use the KKW. I'm going to use Kimberly. Okay, let me try and put some lipstick on first. How about I try the Anastasia in Spice, since he has a darker lip with some lip gloss in the center, seemingly. No, that's pink. And let's see. Okay. I do not have a lipstick as dark as that. Okay. All right, guys. So, what do you think? Yeah, I did a horrible job. Let's see if I take my hair down and maybe this helps it a little bit, huh? Yeah? Guys, I botched this up tremendously. Like, this is bad. Now you guys wonder why I don't do eyeshadow and all of this, because oh my gosh. And maybe I just need to learn how to do it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, watching me botch the wonderful work of Patrick Starrr. He's an amazing makeup artist. Regardless if you like that much makeup or this much makeup or not, he knows how to do some makeup. And so I tried to do what Patrick Starrr did, and I obviously failed. So I will see you guys in my next video where I look a little bit, hopefully, tad bit better because I don't know how to beat my face like he does. So, you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, Wanda, this is a mess. This is a hot and a mess.